Hi folks, today I wanted to do a unboxing video. I just got a couple of items from Urban Southern. They had a fantastic sale and free shipping. So of course I had to purchase something. I love how their box is so easy to open. Beautiful. Okay, so first up is this felt insert that can go inside a tote bag. The middle comes out. This is gorgeous. I have a couple totes I want to try this on. I do not have their market tote, or Regina tote I think it's called. They have a number of totes this will fit in. I have yet to have one of those. So I'm excited about this though. Check it out. And this, my husband's going to roll his eyes because I already had one of these. And I carry way too many items, so I decided to trade it for a mini market tote of Urban Southern's. And then I was looking at my photos on my Instagram account and thought, that's just such a gorgeous bag. I miss it. So I decided to get another one. Look at those stretch marks. Beautiful. And I'm just going to start carrying this. That is my goal. Start carrying this. One more item. This is their Crossbody Wallet. Gorgeous. I figure this would be great for concerts. I saw a video on it and look at that, that's beautiful. And it just holds way more than I expected. Here's my phone case. Yeah, when that stretches a little, that should be fine. Oh no, that fits fine as is. Look at that. It's fantastic. Credit cards go here. Smaller items can go in here. Beautiful. Love it. Okay, so those are my 3 new items. Look at that. I actually asked them for stretch marks. And I couldn't believe it when they were gracious enough to go ahead and handpick this for me. How sweet is that? I mean, that's just really incredible to have that company be able to take the time to do that for you. So not only when I see this bag will I think, yeah, that's beautiful, look at those stretch marks, beautiful, amazing, but now I'm going to be totally touched every time I'm looking at it because I know that they chose that just for me. Fantastic. Thank you guys very much, and thank you for watching.